Hi there, Carolyn, trichologist at Absolique, doing some more results today. This one is a men's hair thinning treatment. So we were treating more male pattern thinning, and we've been working with maintenance for this client for quite a few years now. So it was a combination of things that we found. This client had a hair cycle problem to start with because he was very much a runner. And he had always, what we found, low ferritin. So his ferritin when we started was too low to even grow hair, let alone have good health. And at the time he was also presenting with some pattern thinning. So over the years we managed to stabilize the hair cycle. We got his ferritin up to a state, and his vitamin D along the way was a bit low. We got all of that quite stable, and then we were just managing the male pattern thinning. So when we're talking about male pattern thinning, a lot of people use this minoxidil or Rogaine Regain, and they feel like it's forever. So the way we use it here, we only use it to get the reversal. So if we do have miniaturising, we will add it on at the end once we stabilise the hair cycle, do the reversal with a safe formula. That's what we call PG-free, propylene glycol-free. And once we've got the result, we can go back to just simple stabilisation and stop the minoxidil. So that's what we've done in this case here. We had some receding happening, we got the hair growth, and now this client is on just a really basic, when you wash your hair, this is how you do it. We use topical antioxidants to protect. So as long as we maintain good health, we're finding we're also maintaining good hair. So we generally check in with this client once a year now, and we find that everything's really, really stable. So, don't believe everything that you read, that some treatments have to be done for the rest of your life. If you get the proper advice and address underlying causes, there are really simple, easy, safe and cost-effective ways of treating male pattern thinning. So we're based in Brisbane, Australia, but we're happy to help people all over the world. We'll post these pictures with this blog as well. So my email is info@absolique.com.au.